Ever dreamed of exploring the stars but didn't know where to start? These 5 beginner-friendly telescopes bring the stars, planets, and galaxies closer than ever. From your backyard to the edge of the cosmos, we've handpicked the best scopes to launch your stargazing journey. Watch till the end to discover your perfect match. And don't forget to check the description for trusted links. Let's unlock the night sky together. Our first pick is the Skyer telescope. Discover the night sky like never before with the Skyer telescope. Built for beginners who want powerful performance without the hassle. Its 70mm aperture and 400mm focal length deliver sharp, bright views of the moon, planets, and even distant landscapes. Fully coated glass optics protect your eyes while giving you crisp, detailed images every time you look through it. No guesswork here. With 2 eyepieces, a 3x Barlow lens, and a 5x24 finder scope, you'll easily locate and zoom in on your target. Want to capture your view? Use the included smartphone adapter and wireless remote to snap stunning photos in seconds. The adjustable tripod gives you stable, flexible positioning, and everything fits neatly in the included travel bag, making this telescope perfect for backyard sessions, road trips, or camping adventures. Whether you're buying for yourself or gifting to a curious stargazer, the Skyer telescope makes it easy to explore space with confidence and clarity. No confusing setup, no blurry views, just real results. Our next choice is the Hexium telescope. Get ready to unlock the universe with the Hexium telescope, the ultimate stargazing experience for beginners, curious kids, and adventure-loving families. With its powerful 80mm aperture and 600mm focal length, this telescope pulls in stunning light to reveal razor-sharp views of the moon, planets, and even Earth's landscapes in jaw-dropping detail. Want magnification? You've got it. The included 25mm and 10mm eyepieces plus a 3x Barlow lens boost your view all the way up to 180 times. Perfect for zooming in on Saturn's rings or capturing those crater shadows on the moon. Struggling with setup? Not here. The tool-free assembly, 5x24 finder scope, and adjustable tripod make it a breeze to lock onto your target, even if you've never used a telescope before. But it doesn't stop there. Snap incredible cosmic photos with the smartphone adapter and wireless remote. Then pack everything into the included carrying bag for on-the-go discovery. Whether it's your first time looking up or your 100th, the Hexium telescope delivers crystal clear views, effortless control, and serious fun. At number 3, we are now talking about the Celestron Portable Refractor Telescope. Looking to spark wonder and curiosity? The Celestron Portable Refractor Telescope makes stargazing magical. No experience needed. Whether you're a parent inspiring young minds, a curious beginner, or just someone who's always dreamed of exploring the night sky, this telescope is your all-access pass to the cosmos. With its powerful 70mm fully coated lens, you'll enjoy crisp views of the moon's craters, Saturn's rings, distant stars, and even daytime landscapes, all in stunning detail. It's lightweight, travel-ready, and comes with everything you need: a full-height tripod, smartphone-compatible eyepieces, and a custom backpack that makes adventure easy. Setup takes minutes, not hours. No tools, no stress, just point it at the sky and prepare to be amazed. Plus, you get a top-rated astronomy app and a 2-year warranty from the world's most trusted telescope brand. Don't just look up, experience the stars. Grab your Celestron telescope today and turn ordinary nights into extraordinary memories. Our 4th pick is the HawkCo Astronomical Telescope. The HawkCo Astronomical Telescope is your gateway to the stars, designed for beginners, families, and young explorers who want more than just a glimpse of the night sky. With a massive 90mm aperture, fully multi-coated optics, and a powerful 900mm focal length, this high-definition telescope brings the moon's craters, Saturn's rings, and distant landscapes into razor-sharp focus. Whether you're peering into the galaxy or scanning Earth's horizon, enjoy seamless magnification from 36x to an astonishing 270x. The sturdy stainless steel tripod ensures rock-solid views, while the tool-free setup, phone adapter, and wireless remote make capturing celestial moments a breeze. No wobbly mounts, no complicated manuals. Just smooth, steady stargazing. Perfect for backyard astronomers or weekend adventures. This telescope comes with everything you need, including eyepieces, a Barlow lens, carry bag, and expert support. It's more than a telescope. It's a launch pad for imaginations. So, why wait? Aim higher, zoom deeper, and start your space adventure today with HawkCo. Now finally, we will discuss our last pick, Toyer B telescope. Blast off into the cosmos with the Toyer B telescope, your family's ultimate launchpad to the stars. Designed for beginners but packed with powerful features, this telescope brings the moon, planets, and distant galaxies right to your backyard. With a 70mm large aperture and fully coated optics, every celestial detail pops with crystal clarity. No more squinting at blurry blobs. Zoom in with 15x to 150x magnification using the included eyepieces and 3x Barlow lens to witness lunar craters, Saturn's rings, or even daytime landscapes in vivid detail. Setup is a breeze thanks to its tool-free assembly, and the adjustable tripod ensures a perfect view whether you're sitting, standing, or stargazing under a blanket of stars. Want to snap and share the magic? You'll love the smartphone adapter and wireless remote, perfect for capturing breathtaking shots of the night sky and instantly sharing them with friends. Lightweight, portable, and backed by a 3-year satisfaction guarantee, Toyer-B is the ideal companion for curious kids, excited families, and anyone ready to start their journey through the universe. And that's a wrap. 5 beginner-friendly telescopes that make stargazing easy, exciting, and unforgettable. From moonlit moments to cosmic snapshots, they're the perfect launchpad to your night sky journey. Check the description for links to all the picks and let us know which one you're most excited to try. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more stellar gear reviews. Thanks for watching.